to doubt we will find our way back to each other when you're on the other side of the world. I'm here and I'm waiting, but I know I can't say that we didn't end it for good reasons. Still I'm hoping we'll be meeting soon. Everybody needs some time to figure themselves out, but I want you close and I still have hope. I'm waiting every day for you to come back and tell me we can work it out, forget about the past. Now time moves slow, I'm not high or low, no, I'm somewhere in the middle and a little bit messed up, 'cause without you everything stops.
Hi everyone, and welcome back to Shell's Glam Home. Well, today I'm excited to share a Decorate With Me video. I'm decorating my Glam Mantel. I hope you enjoy.
I'm feeling so lonely.
This is my electric flame effect fireplace mantle that I picked up from eBay about 3 years ago. They no longer sell it, guys, but I have found similar ones, which I'll link for you down below. I'd already started my decorating by adding this beautiful buffalo check garland that I picked up from TK Maxx. I then added my arched mirror, that's from Kmart. Now I did a DIY on this, guys, and I'll show you this in a future video. I then added this beautiful Dior canvas that I picked up about 6 months ago from Ronnie's Home Depot. Now, because I'm going to go with a layered look, I actually placed this just slightly over the mirror. I then took a Chanel book as well as this beautiful box that I picked up from TK Maxx, and I added it to the centre. I then took my Tom Ford book, and what I'm going to do here, guys, is stand it upright in front of the mirror. Now, a few weeks ago, I picked up these gorgeous marble pumpkins from TK Maxx. I took this one first of all and placed it on the right-hand side. I then took the taller one and placed it on the left. I then also added this beautiful bling pumpkin that was gifted to me by my beautiful friend Betsy Ann. And to the left-hand side, I added this beautiful striped pumpkin. Also from my beautiful friend Betsy Ann is this gorgeous, gorgeous mug, guys. I added that to the top of the box. And to finish things off at the top of the mantle, I added this little girl boss sign also on the top of the box. I then started at the bottom of my mantle. I took my little turquoise ottoman and added a coffee table book and added this beautiful pumpkin. It's a Cinderella pumpkin, also from TK Maxx. And I also added to the right hand side this beautiful pumpkin stack that I added a buffalo check bow to go with my garland. Now, this wouldn't be a shell video without my final touch of glam. I cut out a foam Chanel logo from this glitter foam that I picked up from my dollar store, and I put some double-sided tape on the back and I added it to the front of my mantle. Just tell me how we lost track of everything but each other. I honestly don't know. And tell me how we messed up, drifting away from each other. Didn't want to let you go. Guys, I'm truly excited with how this actually came out. I'm always trying to think of unique ways of decorating, and I know a lot of people in the farmhouse community do a very layered effect when it comes to decorating their hallway tables and their mantles, but I wanted to do a glam version of this. What
I did here, guys, was basically shopped my own home. I used things from around the house that I already had, and I incorporated them in the design that I was looking for.
I almost lost track of time as weeks went by. I couldn't get him off my mind. I couldn't get him off my mind.
Guys, if you love that layered look as well, I definitely recommend shopping your own home. Just look for different heights and scales of things. Move things around until you've got the desired look you're aiming for. Leave me a comment down below if you also love the layered style of decorating.
I'm driving, you're smiling, just really doing nothing. That's the thing I like about you.
If you're new to my channel, welcome. My name's Michelle, but most people call me Shell, and I'm the creator of Shell's Glam Home.
We just do what we wanna do. Yeah.
I'm an Australian YouTuber who loves to decorate my home glam and share inexpensive ways for you to do that also. Don't forget, guys, to give me a follow over on Instagram. I'm at Shell's Glam Home too, and I post daily inspiration where I'm decorating my home glam.
You say that I'm crazy, it's just the way that I get every time that I am with you. Your laughter takes me to heaven. I just wanna make you repeat it and repeat it again. Yeah, you make the sky so blue. No, nothing's complicated with you. Hey, playing songs on the radio, sing along to the words that we don't know how. Brings out the wild. Let's just run away. Yeah, I could drive the whole along. Being with you is like being on the rodeo house.
So thank you so much for watching, guys. I truly hope you've enjoyed this video. I hope I've inspired you when it comes to decorating your mantle glam.
It's our way, Route 66, and we keep on driving. We just do what we wanna do. Hey, playing songs on the radio, sing along to the words that we don't know how. Brings out the wild ones. Let's just run.
Don't forget, guys, to like, share and subscribe to my channel, because I'll be back real soon with more DIY projects, inspirational ideas and room tours here at Shell's Glam Home. So until next time, my friends, I thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye, guys.